Scott, the name of the show.
I'm going to Hollywood.
I'm going to Hollywood. Give me a little idea of what the premise of the show is.
It's a competition for an underdog to get his one big shot and chance to get in front of some big name people in the industry that he would never otherwise get into. They have cooking shows, they have tattoo shows, they have car shows, singing and dancing. And I noticed the one thing they don't have, which is what TV was originated for, was acting.
Acting. I can see that. That would be really cool, seeing people doing some monologues.
The very first shot they get when they do the opening audition, I give them creative freedom. Whatever they feel the most comfortable in,
there you go.
what they feel they can nail on the head, what they can do the best is what they're offered to do.
Right.
Bring it to the table. Let's see what you got. What you feel best at what you got, bring it in.
Okay.
And if they make it to the next level, that's when we take over and we start mixing it up, making it interesting.
That's when you instead of them coming with their piece, you will say, hey, you're going to read this. That's going to be a challenge.
The way I visioned it, the way I picture it, for the second round, the way it's going to happen is when we choose, we're not even going to know what they're going to do until that second. This is going to be like a lottery. So the number's going to be rolling around the bin like bingo. Okay. And they're going to reach in the bin, pull out the number, and behind them will be all the scripts. And whatever number they pick is what they land on. So a young teenager might be an old man. He might be an old lady.
Right.
And it could be vice versa. And that way we get to see who the best actor is.
What is the ultimate goal or the grand prize for the one? Is it one winner?
No, that's the best part about our show.
Okay.
Every project has to have a male and a female.
Right.
So we could have seniors, male and female. We could have juniors, male and female, and the little kids, male and female. So there'll be six winners, and each of them, it depends on how far they get with the total scores.
Right.
Whoever gets total score from all the judges at the very end of the series wins the Grand Slam.
Okay.
And we're looking to make them a opportunity to be in with Mark Wahlberg in one of his pictures.
That's phenomenal.
Whether they're the waiter,
doesn't matter.
Right, they're the taxi driver.
You're in a movie with Mark Wahlberg.
Exactly.
Doesn't matter.
Exactly. I mean, obviously, Mark knows a lot of people in the industry. He's worked with a lot of people. Yeah, man. If he could call up someone he's done a movie with,
oh my God,
and have him come in or her, and they would read the lines with the person of the movie they did.
Right.
So we could see how it went with them. For the grand finale, it would be nice to set up a set that would actually be realistic to what we're doing, what they're portraying.
Plenty of set dressers looking for work. So.
Everybody can use the work. Right.
Wow. The ideas are endless.
The ideas are endless and the possibilities
Scott
are endless.
McManus, the brainchild of all this. By the way, we went to school together.
Thank you, Chris.
All right, brother.
Appreciate your time.
All right, let's do it. Hi, I'm Chris Roach, and this is I Am Going to Hollywood! All right. On this show, each contestant will come up, show their acting chops, and if they do good, they get a chance to star in a feature film for themselves. But first, before we begin, let's meet our judges, starting with judge number 1 from the group The Lost Boys. Let's hear it for Mr. Cheeks! Our next judge, you know her from the group Salt and Pepper, the beautiful, the original DJ Spinderella! All right, our next judge is a writer, actor, and producer. He's directing the next film of his called War Retroactive. Ladies and gentlemen, Chris Ford! All right, our next judge is an actor known for many roles, especially in his latest role, the hit show Power, Mark John Jeffrey! All right, I'm gonna go sniff glue. We'll be right back after this break. Sure.